Hey, hello guys, welcome back another video. Today I'm going to show you how I made $280 in just 3 days by promoting Fiverr affiliate program. Okay, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can also make this type of money and this much money very easily. So let's get started. First of all, what you have to do, you need to join a Fiverr affiliate program and you need to promote Fiverr programs. As you can see over here, there are lots of programs available, or you can say lots of services available on Fiverr. You just need to promote these type of services on your social media platform or any type of platform, and you can promote products, and you can, when your product is directly purchased by customer, you will earn some commission. And by using this method I also earn this much money. Okay, as you can see over here, in just 3 days, or you can say in last 3 days, I earned $280. Okay, so in upcoming videos I will show you my daily update, how much money I am earning from Fiverr, and you can also make money this type of so much money. Okay, so let's get started. As you can see over here, this is one Fiverr affiliate program, and I'm going to provide the method by using Pinterest. Okay, how I get sales, or you can say how you will get sales on Pinterest. Okay, so first of all, you need to select any service, and you can select Pinterest pin making service, or you can say this is a service where you can make Pinterest pins. Okay, and as you know, on Pinterest pins are very popular, and this type of service very easily you can sell on Pinterest. Okay, so for this you need to copy, or you can say you need to select any service. As you can see over here, you need to choose best service. Okay, as you can see, this is the Fiverr's choice, and we are going to promote this service. Okay, now you need to open this in another window, and you need to copy this link, and you need to open your Fiverr affiliate program. How you get this window? You need to join Fiverr affiliate program, and you need to click on join, and I will provide you this link in our video description box. You just need to follow, or you just need to fill this form, and once you fill this form, you will get this window, the Fiverr affiliate window. Okay, and in this window you just need to copy this link, and you just need to deep link. Okay, you need to click on this link and a deep link, you need to paste in this window and save it. Okay, once you saved this link, and you will get here lots of programs and pins available in this window, and we are going to promote this Fiverr Pro plan, and we are going to copy this link, and we are going to paste this link in our notepad. Okay, this is our affiliate link of Fiverr. Okay, and now come to the point where you have to promote this gig. Okay, you have to save this image. Okay, once you save this image, I have already done this for you, you can easily understand. I'm going to Pinterest my account. This is my Pinterest account, and over here you just need to click on this window. You need to create a Pinterest business account and create a pin, and when you create a pin, you will be redirected to this page, and you just need to enter your image. First of all, what you have to do, you need to enter your image like this. You have to upload image like this, upload image, and now come to the point, title, and you need to copy this title, and over here you need to paste this title. And now description. What is the description? Description is a little bit some like this. I have this and this. Copy this description and over paste this description. Okay, and delete some extra texts. Okay, and I'm going to show you this little bit faster, because video is going to long, so much long. That's why I'm copy this link and paste this link in this, and services, this is a service, and tags are Pinterest pins, pins pins. You can make pins curls and design, DSIG, and design, graphic design, and you can put lots of tags. Okay, and after doing this thing, you just need to publish this link. Okay, when you publish this link, the pin is created in your account, and as you can see over here, this is our pin created just now. Right now I have created this pin, and as you can see, this pin is ready. When someone is needed this type of Pinterest pin designs, they can contact, or you can say they can visit by using your link, and they will be redirected to this page. And once someone is purchased this service, you will get some commission. Okay, so this is the method by which you can earn this type so much money on Fiverr by using affiliate program. And if you really want to know A to Z information, how I promoted this type of services on which social media platforms, and how can I get this much money, which strategy I have applied in such type of affiliate program, and if you really want to make this type of so much money, then you can make a comment, and in upcoming videos I'm going to show you how you can make this type of money. And if you really want to know instantly how you can make money, this type of money, then you can join our course, and I will provide you course. And right now I'm promoting two services. As you can see over here, I'm promoting Fiverr Pro plan and Fiverr Logo Maker plan, and as you can see over here, I have earned lots of commission. Okay, so our recommendation is you should join our Fiverr affiliate program course. In course I will teach you each and every step-by-step method, and you can also make so much money. Okay, so hope you get my some points, and if yes, please hit a like button, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye friend, thank you.